Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a new Social Security card, step by step. Whether your card is lost, stolen, or you need to update information, this guide will help. We'll cover everything from gathering your documents to submitting your application. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the process to get your new card. Let's get started on these important steps. The first crucial step is gathering the correct documents. You'll need original documents, not photocopies, to prove your identity, U.S., citizenship or immigration status, and age. For identity, a driver's license or state ID works well. For citizenship, a birth certificate or passport is ideal. And for age, a birth certificate is usually sufficient. Make sure these are current and valid. Next, you'll complete the application for a Social Security card, also known as Form SS5. You can easily find and print this form from the Social Security Administration's official website. Take your time filling out each section accurately. It's vital that the information on this form perfectly aligns with your supporting documents to avoid any delays in processing your request. Accuracy is key here. Finally, it's time to submit your application. You have two main options. Either mail your completed Form SS5 along with your original documents to the Social Security Administration, or visit a local Social Security office in person. If mailing, your original documents will be returned to you. After submission, you can typically expect your new card to arrive within 7 to 14 business days. Congratulations!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.